recording will now start.
Tell them we'll be back for him. Tell him we got the video. Tell him we'll be back.
Hey, I got it on.
You guys just hate it when you're in a rear-end collision, hop out of ambulances, got everyone on the highway for you. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, observe traffic. Yeah, observe traffic. Yeah, fuck! Yeah! Woo! Got that on GoPro! Holy shit! What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? And we'll be moving on and swing. What the hell was that?
Where did you come from?
I come in the lane! How do you not see me? You're turning out of here!
I didn't see you.
Yeah, no,
Were
dude!
you in the other lane?
No, I was right here! I got it all on GoPro, man! I'll take your insurance.
I am so sorry.
No, I'll take your insurance, please.
Yeah.
I'll give you my policy number, too.
Is it alright?
I don't know, I gotta go take it home and assess the damage later.
Ain't no police shit. Need a band or a band.
Okay, presto. Hey guys!
Fuck, man. Fuck.
What the fuck, man?
Oh, that was fucking close.
What the f? You got a fucking you piece of shit.
Come here, you bitch.
What's your problem?
Done. I got your plate and everything. I got it all on camera.
What the f? What I
Little sister in the crosswalk, you sucking
ah,
motherfucker.
fuck you.
Have fun with the Florida cop that's gonna be waiting for you at the four-way intersection.
So I got a camera too.
Good, good,
You almost hit me, motherfucker.
Good.
You almost hit me.
good.
You
I
almost.
wish I did, you long-haired
Yeah.
bitch-ass looking motherfucker.
You.
Get out of the car. Let's go.
What?
What is your problem?
You cut me off.
Dude, you came around a fucking corner at 100 miles an hour.
No,
Don't
I didn't.
fuck
I was
around.
doing 33.
Don't be a
I
fucking
was doing-
asshole.
You don't be an asshole. Fuck you. Dipshit. Where's the cop? Fuck you. God damn it! Ah! Holy
What's with the brake check? You're on camera. You're on camera.
When I can't see the windshield wipers, you mother...
You're on camera.
Speed limit is
Don't
45 and
don't brake
35.
check me, prick.
Good.
Don't brake check me. You're on camera.
Good.